Why the shit do your joints make a fucking popping sound? When this shit happens, you're not grinding bones and causing damage like what most of you jerk-offs think. You're actually releasing gas bubbles. Your joints are surrounded by egg yolk-looking fluid called synovial fluid, which acts as a fucking lubricant. Gas bubbles build up in that shit, and when you stretch or pull the joint, they fucking pop. This relaxes the surrounding muscles, making your ass feel loose. Pause. It takes around 25 minutes for gases to build up in the synovial fluid before you can pop those fuckers again. You might think doing this shit your whole fucking life would give you arthritis, but some old fart tested this by cracking only one hand for 60 years and didn't see a fucking difference. Hey, fuck nuts down here now. When you crack your neck, the principles are the same. The sound comes from you popping those fucking air bubbles. I would suggest not doing this shit because you could accidentally fucking kill yourself. This can happen if you yank your fucking neck too hard trying to look like you're the shit. Doing this can tear the lining of your blood vessel. Your body then forms a blood clot like it always does when some fucked up shit happens. That little bitchy blood